All right, welcome back, welcome back. So in this video, as you can see, we still don't have our profile pic back from Fiverr. Not to worry though, we're going to continue on and get some other stuff done while we're waiting for that. There's no need to put everything on pause while we're waiting. So on this page, and this get started page here will go away once you run through some of these things here. But I don't want to invite my friends until my page is complete. I don't want to import contacts until it's complete. Post updates we can, okay, but again, I might as well wait. It's going to say that on my personal profile, so I'll just wait and post an update again when my page is more set up. Okay, so what I do want to do now though is I want to set up a like box on my website. Okay, so it says add a Facebook like box to your site and give people an easy way to discover and follow this page. Okay, so let's just click into here, and we come to the like box. Okay, so a like box is not the only social plugin. Okay, there are many different ones. So if we just go to social plugins here, okay, we see that we have a choice. We have the like button, okay, and when someone clicks on this, then it says here it lets users share pages from your site back to their Facebook profile. Okay, so a like button can actually do a couple different things. Here's the URL. Okay, so this would be your actual website. Okay, and someone clicks like, and it would show up on their profile. It says Reese Richards likes instantlyfallasleep.com, for example. Okay, and then if we go back to social plugins, we have a send button. Okay, and the send button, as you can see in the picture here, it basically sends that page to whoever they list. So here's an example on the side here. Okay, if you click on the send, then it says enter to a friend group or email address, and then the message, and it'll tell you what the domain is. Okay, so you can use the send button. And subscribe is something new to Facebook. You get to subscribe to your updates, to your page's updates. Okay. Comments allows you to allows the users to comment on the bottom of a page. Okay, very helpful if you have a blog or something that is kind of controversial, or you want opinions on. The more people that comment on the bottom of this, the better rating that you're going to get, the more sociability it has, so the better rating you're going to get in the search engines. So this is good, but it can also be it can also go the other way. And if you have no one, then it's just kind of it's deserted, and it kind of looks weird when you don't have any comments at all in there. So use this if you have a lot of viewers already, and or you have some kind of controversial topics that you post about, or you think that it's going to help out a lot of people and you're going to get a lot of comments on it, then go ahead and add the comments. Okay, going back, we have the activity feed. So it shows users what their friends are doing, okay, on the site. So it just shows you some activity coming from that page. Okay, it says basically just says what you're doing. Okay, so again, you would put your domain name. We'll go through how to upload this to your website. Right now, I'm just trying to show you the different functions that you have if you were to upload this to your site. Okay, and then we have recommendations. Okay, it's a personalized suggestion for pages, very close to send. Okay, and the like box. So this one enables. So there's a difference here. There's the like button. Okay, and that shares the page. It says like Reese Richards likes instantlyfallasleep.com. Okay, and then of course we have the like box, and that likes your page. So when someone clicks on that, they automatically become a fan of your page. Okay, so both of these are very powerful, and you want them both incorporated into your site. One is for the page, and one is static that you want to have on all of your pages, basically, that says if you like my site, go ahead and click the like button here, and you will automatically become a fan of my site. Registration. Okay, they can sign in if you have a registration system, then they can use Facebook to sign in rather than going through your sign up process. Okay, these are a little more advanced here, but we'll just run through them. FacePile, it says plugin displays the Facebook profile pictures of users who liked your page. This you can add to the faces you can add to the like buttons. So you probably don't want to bother with a FacePile all by itself. And then live stream lets you your users share activity and comments in real time. Okay, so basically you see it as it's happening. Okay, the ones that we want to focus on for our site are the like box and the like button. Okay, like box and like button. So this has become a lot more difficult recently since Facebook has, they're constantly changing things, updating the processes, how things are done. So let's go through this process. It's not too difficult once you see it, okay? But I'm not going to go through reading all this. You can read it when you get here. So this is just developers.facebook.com, and then you can get to docs /reference /plugins /like. Okay. It says to get the like button code, and it displays here, okay, on the side what this looks like. Okay, and here it's displaying a friend of mine that has also liked this. Okay, and if you have trouble, there's little question marks. You'll find that Facebook is a little confusing with their question marks. I don't know if they do this on purpose, but it's kind of obscure about what they say sometimes, and you're not really sure how to follow it or what it actually means. But so this is the URL to like in XFBML, so that's a type of markup code, defaults to the current page. Okay, again, like you don't need to know that. Just when they are liking this, okay, this is the like button. Okay, when they're liking this, what is the URL that they're going to like? So you want to put your URL in here, okay? And then you have some options, and each time you change this, so you can exclude the send button, okay, and it just has the like. And then I told you before, you can take out the faces if you want. You don't want someone's little profile pictures, and it just shows up like this. You can change the layout of it so that you get the number, okay, or it can go the other way. Okay, you can have the number on top. You can determine the width by changing it here. This is in pixels. You can change the font. Okay, maybe you don't like the way it's written. You want to change the font, and then you just press get code. Okay, well, it's sort of that easy. Well, the problem is here that you have to have an app, a Facebook app. You have to have made a Facebook app, okay, in order to get this code. Okay, so I've made a couple of different apps here, and they're fairly straightforward to go ahead and make the app. It's not like you're designing a new application. It's basically just adding in some information to get these keys that you need, okay, in order for this to work. So we're going to stop the video there, and then I'm going to come back in and we'll show you how to make the app so that we can kind of continue and then put this on our sites. Okay, so those are all the different social plugins that you can add to your website, and then when we come back, we'll develop or create an app, which is it's a simple process, but we'll have to create the app in order to place these like buttons on our websites. Okay, so I'll see you in a bit.